Bank is a financial institution which objective is not only profit making but also serving the society. In terms of ensuring safety, a bank act as a guardian for the customer. Means whatever the deposit that is made by a customer, the banker is responsible for that deposit. Where it is a first financial tech city, means it is a first city which had given a contribution of technology for all the kinds of a banking company. Hello everybody, a warm welcome to one and all. I am Mr. Hemant Kumar from the Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. In today's session, we are going with the subject that is Banking Law and Practice, Session 2 of Unit 1, that is Introduction to Banking. This is agenda of today's session. We are going with the concept of objectives of banking and banking in gift city. This objectives of banking is classified into two categories. One is business objective, second is social objectives. Not only profit making is the main objective of a banking company, but also serving the society. Banking in gift city. So the expansion of gift is Gujarat International Financial Tech City, that is gift city. This both the concept are very important in the exam point of view. Objectives of bank. Bank is a financial institution which objective is not only profit making but also serving the society. As I said, there are two objectives of a bank, that is business objective and social objective, right? So this business objective is about making the profit. As we know, profit maximization is the main intention of every business organization, right? So it is a business organization where the main intention is profit maximization, but it is not only the objective of a banking company, but also there is a social objective, but also it must serve the society. So let us go with each and every individual point, so we come to know which are all the things that is going to happen under the business objective and social objective. The first business objective is profit making. Of course, profit making is an objective of every business unit, right? So this is a business unit which expect more profit, right? So when come in terms of a banking company, it is going through two activities. First one is receive deposit, second one is lending loan. It is a main objective or a main function of every banking company, right? So it is going to collect the deposit from whom? From the general public by offering a lowest rate of interest. If a public deposit money on the bank, it is going to give them the lowest rate of interest. But if a bank lend the loan for the same general public, it is going to charge the highest rate of interest. The difference between the lowest rate of interest and highest rate of interest is the profit margin of a banking company, right? So hence making profit is a main intention of a banking company. Objective 2, that is providing financial services. Banking company is going to serve its customer by facilitating a specialized facilities like foreign exchange, investment management, RTGS, NEFT, and also locker facility. These are the various kind of a facility that is facilitated by a banker for the benefit of a customer. These are the financial services that is rendered by a banker. Currency issue. So, issuing currency is a function of Reserve Bank of India. It had authorized by central government to issue currency notes. Like, it cannot print unlimited currency note, and there is a criteria to print a currency in Reserve Bank of India, right? So, before manufacturing the currency, it is going to keep a same worth of a wealth, whether it is a foreign exchange, gold, or government bonds. So based on that value, it is going to manufacture the currency to maintain the economic stability of our nation. Next one, creation of transaction media. So in terms of a transaction media, bank act as a agent also facilitate its customer through online banking services. So there are a number of applications that is launched by the Reserve Bank of India and also by Government of India, where the individual bank that they are going to facilitate its customer by the various kinds of applications, where it is going to beneficial to check balance, to transact money, and also to know about their financial condition, right, or CIBIL score. Receive deposit. So it is a main function of a banking company. First one is receiving deposit, second one is lending loan. So as I said, when a banking company receive the deposit from the general public, right, so it is going to offer the lowest interest rate for the general public. Say for an example, if a banking company receive a deposit from the general public, so the rate of interest that the bank is going to offer is around 6 to 7%, right? So 6 to 7% in terms of a public sector. When it comes in terms of private sector, it may offer up to 8 to 8.5%, right? So this is the interest rate that is offered by the banker to the customer for the deposit of money, right? If a customer deposit the money in a bank, it is going to offer an interest rate of 6 to 8.5%, right? So lending loan, the same amount is lent by a banker to the customer, means it is going to charge the interest rate of 10 to 12%, right? So the difference between this 6% and 12% is a profit for the banking company, right? So it is going to collect the deposit by the interest rate of 6%, and it is going to lend the same money for the interest rate of 12% for the benefit of customer, right? Remaining 6% is a profit for the banking company. Ensure safety. In terms of ensuring safety, a bank act as a guardian for the customer, means whatever the deposit that is made by a customer, the banker is responsible for that deposit. Investment. Whatever amount that we deposit in a bank, a portion of amount will be kept in a bank, but remaining amount will be invested by the banking company, right? So banker, what he is going to do, say for an example, I am going to keep a deposit of 10 lakh rupees. Okay, so I am going to keep a deposit of 10 lakh rupees in a bank. So here the banker, he is going to keep only a proportion, a small proportion of amount. Say for an example, 2 lakh rupees he is going to keep with him. Okay, so he is going to keep 2 lakh rupees, and remaining 8 lakh rupees he is going to invest. On what he is going to invest? They are going to offer the credit facility to the customer. They are going to offer a housing loan, vehicle loan, right? So personal loans. So they are going to invest on the loans or the credit facility to the society, so that it is going to generate the highest rate of income for the banking company. So it is going to invest the deposit that is deposited by its customers. Social objectives. As I said, profit making is not only the objective of a banking company, but its objective is also serving the society. So how it is going to serve the society? The main intention of social objective is to maintain a stability in our economy and also development of our nation, right? So it is a personal objective, that is profit making of a banking company, but when it comes in terms of a social objective, it is going to serve the society, right? So by helping the society. So how it is going to serve the society? First one, making profit. As I said, profit making is one of the intention of a banking company, but also to serve a society. In this social objective, it is going to make the profit by serving the society. Means for the lower sections, for the farmers and for the small scale industries, it is going to lend the loan at subsidy, right? So it is going to give a subsidy and lowest rate of interest for the development of inhabitants and also a small scale industry. So it is going to benefit for the development of economy of our country, right? So hence profit making is a objective of a company, but when it come in terms of economic development or when it come in terms of a social objective, so it is going to make a minimum profit. It is going to make a minimum profit by lending a loan for the public. Creating savings. So creation of a saving can lead for a economic development. So what happens, there are a number of inhabitants in the developing country like India, so they doesn't have a sufficient balance in their bank account. So what happens, bank is going to facilitate its customer for the future uncertainties. If we save tomorrow, it is going to benefit me in future, right? So if I save the amount today, so tomorrow I can bear the uncertainties, tomorrow I can bear the obstacles that may occur or that may not occur. So if a people save money, it is going to increase the living standard of inhabitants. Capital formation. So this banking company is going to formulate a capital for the huge or large investment, right, for which it is going to benefit the economy or economic status of our nation. Industrialization. So banking company, it is going to lend a loan for the industrialist for the development of industries. When it comes in terms of large industry, it is going to offer a loan at the lowest rate of interest. It is going to benefit all the kinds of industries which is required for the development of our economy. Developing living standard. So when the creation of savings happen, when the capital formation happen, it lead for the development of a living standard of individual, right? So where the savings are going to happen, where the capital formation had happened, it is going to lead for the developing a living standard. Economic development. This social objective is main intention is economic development of our nation. So not only personal development, but also it is going to develop a economy of our nation, right? So when the bank fulfill all the social requirement, all the benefit that is going given by the bank to the society, the development of the economy can happen, right? So it is going to serve a society, it is going to lend a loan for the farmers with subsidy, right? So it is going to offer a various or a varieties of loan, right, for the benefit of a farmers, for the benefit of industries, right? So which is going to indirectly contribution for the economy, right? So it is a contribution that is made by a banker to the economy of our country. These are the points that we are supposed to go with, that is business objectives and social objectives. It is very, very important in the exam point of view, dear students. Please be aware of all the concept, all the individual concept, okay? Banking in gift city. So banking in gift city means the expansion of a gifty, right? So that is a Gujarat International Financial Tech City, that is gift city. So it had established in a state of Gujarat, where it is a first financial tech city, means it is a first city which had given a contribution of technology for all the kinds of a banking company, right? So it is regarding the information and technology that all the banking unit is going to use. It is a financial tech city. This Gujarat International Financial Tech City is a first financial tech city in India, where it is going to give a financial and technological assistant for whole country and also to the foreign country, right? So it is going to give a financial and technological assistant to the banking companies. The full form of gift city is Gujarat International Financial Tech City. As I said, the expansion of a gift city is Gujarat International Financial Tech City. It is very important concept in the exam point of view. So where this Gujarat International Financial Tech City is actually located? In Gujarat city, right? So the business district comprising commercial and residential spaces. So this Gujarat city is full of commercial and residential spaces. So here in Gujarat, they had utilized a commercial space to develop the infrastructure to offer a global financial services to investors. So it is going to space for the global financial services throughout India, and also it is going to facilitate for the foreign banks. A business segment of a gift city include offshore banking, asset management and insurance. These are the three kinds of services that is rendered by the gift city. So as I said, the gift city is full of commercial and the residential spaces. Majority of the commercial space had utilized by the banking companies. Means in gift city, which are all the industries that had established, that is companies involved in capital market. So the companies which is involved in capital city, they had established their affiliates in the gift city, and also information technology services, right? So there are a number of IT companies that had established in a gift city, and also there are some business process outsourcing had established. So I repeat, so there are number of companies which had established was a capital market based company and information, that is IT company, and also BPOs. ITs, BPOs and capital market based companies had established in a gift city. What is the main intention of establishment of branches? So to give a global financial and IT services in a country. So it is going to facilitate a whole country, but not only a country, it is going to facilitate globally, right? It is going to give a assistant for a foreign country as well. This gift city also hosts multiple international financial services, especially IFSC, right? So it is a concept that had introduced and hosted by the Gifty City, okay, where all the people they do have using this IFSC code. And also this financial assistance had approved by Government of India. This gift city was established with the support of central government. Means a governance that is made by a central government must be followed in gift city. Key factors of a gift city. These are the key elements that we need to know about gift city. It is the first operational smart city. So in India, it is a first operational smart city which used to facilitate all the kinds of bankers and also foreign banks with the various kinds of facilities. And it is a first international financial service center. It is a first international financial center in India. Financial services first had started in Gift City, but later it started operation in various states of our nation. Tax incentives. So here in Gifty City, both the investor and a unit, they do get a tax benefit. When it comes in terms of a unit, it get 100% of a tax exemption, right? It get 100% of 10 tax exemption for 10 years out of 15 years, right? Out of 15 years, it get a tax exemption of 10 years, and also goods and service tax is not applicable in Gift City. Integrated development. So that is what the Gift City is about. So it is going to develop integrated systems and networking. So it had developed all the kinds of integrated systems and networking and facilitate to the world, right? So we call it as a Gift City. Strategic location. This Gifty City is located in a strategic location. So where it had located, it is located in Gujarat, in the banks of river Sabarmati, between states of Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. So where it is going to benefit to whole nation to come in contact with Gift City. Means it is a strategic location the Gift City had located. I repeat, this Gift City is located in the banks of river Sabarmati between a state of Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad, right? It is a strategic location where it is going to benefit the whole nation to come in contact with Gift City. In the next session, we are going with the concept of types of banks. So in the next session, we are going to learn various kinds of bank that is going to render its services for the benefit of customers, right? So here we are going to learn various kinds of banks. Thank you.